Today's tutorial will focus under the hyperbaric oxygen module with hyperbaric oxygen threshold levels. This is located under the indications bucket. You can scroll down to see all HBO threshold levels or access it through the topic outline. They are categorized under elective or chronic indications or emergent and acute. All of these indications are UHMS, Undersea Hyperbaric Medical Society approved indication. If you look at the second column, it includes the threshold levels for the lower limit. The third column is the upper limit. Any treatment that falls outside of these threshold levels, whether it be underneath the lower limit or over the upper limit, should undergo a utilization review. So if we look, for example, at chronic refractory osteo, minimally a patient should receive 20 hyperbaric oxygen treatments to treat this condition. Also, if you exceed 40 treatments, utilization review should occur with an explanation as to why you had to exceed 40 treatments. You notice the symbols next to the numbers. Those are all referenced below to help clarify.